In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Paysafecard on Fortnite. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to purchase any amount of V-Bucks using your Paysafecard as a payment method on Fortnite. It is extremely simple. You can do it inside of the game itself, so if you open the Epic Games Launcher, open Fortnite, and find the exact amount of V-Bucks that you want to purchase, or you can follow along with me by visiting the Epic Games Store website. When you go over to the Epic Games Store website at store.epicgames.com, you can look for V-Bucks or go to the Fortnite page, and after scrolling down under the add-ons, you should be able to find the option to purchase V-Bucks. Now, upon selecting any amount of V-Bucks on the Epic Games Store or inside of the Fortnite Epic Games Launcher itself, you will be able to go to checkout by selecting Buy Now or Add to Cart, and under the main payment methods, you will find the Paysafecard. If you do not see Paysafecard under the payment methods, you have other alternatives, so you can choose any other payment method available here, or you can even transfer the balance from your Paysafecard to a service like PayPal. Like I said, there are plenty of other ways to go about doing this if you don't find Paysafecard immediately, but the main option should be here. If you don't see it, I recommend that you use credit card instead, and you include the details about the Paysafecard here, so the card number, expiration date, and security code. As long as it has the necessary amount of balance to finish this purchase, even if you select credit card, it is going to work. But for this video, I'm going to focus on Paysafecard. After you choose Paysafecard as the default payment method and you place your order, you are going to get this warning about refunds, so keep that in mind. Make sure that you agree with the terms, and after selecting Paysafecard to complete your order, you will be redirected to this page where you can finish the process of using your Paysafecard to purchase V-Bucks or any other item, battle pass inside of Fortnite. As long as you include the Paysafecard code here, you will be able to proceed and pay. Unfortunately, because this involves some private information, I will not be able to show you the full process here. So all you have to do, like I said, is include the code for your Paysafecard or log into your Paysafecard account using My Paysafe, and you will be able to use and pay with your Paysafecard. Like I said, if you encounter any problems while trying to do this, either because you cannot find Paysafecard when you go to checkout or the purchase is not going through, check the amount of balance that you have on a card and explore alternative payment methods. Or try to find a physical V-Bucks gift card that you can purchase using the Paysafecard and afterwards just redeem it on the website like so. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Paysafecard on Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.